breaking update we are picking up, and this is coming in from Delhi, where the police has carried out a major crackdown on alleged pro-Khalistani elements, exposing a sleeper cell with suspected links to Pannoon as a Delhi police special cell that has arrested 2 accused in connection with pro-Khalistan graffiti case. Investigators say that the accused were allegedly lured with 2 lakh rupees to write separatist slogans on multiple locations in the national capital. Police claim that the links of the accused have been traced to the banned outfit Seeks for Justice, and authorities further allege that the activity was directed by a foreign-based handler, describing the case as part of foreign-funded propaganda network. Now, the investigation that is underway to identify additional operatives and financial channels that were linked to the module. Break crackdown now. Priyank, we're getting to know as far as the sleeper cell that is linked to Pannoon and the Khalistani element seems to have been exposed. 2 arrests that have also been made.
Yes, Aunty Amitabh, the Delhi police has managed to.
I think, Priyank, we were just going to reconnect that connection with you, but right now, 2 sleeper cells that were being to Khalistani terrorists, Gurpanwant Singh Pannoon for Seeks for Justice, were arrested from Delhi. And what is being said that these developments came after attempts were made at 2 locations in the national capital to disrupt public order by writing pro-Khalistan slogans. And these arrests were made by Delhi police in connection with the case. Now, what is being said, according to reports we are picking up, Pannoon had allegedly lured them with rupees 2 lakhs to write Khalistan Zindabad in Delhi, and this entire controversy seems to have been orchestrated by the banned outfit. Yes, Priyank, if you can give us the details.
Yeah, Amitabh, what is interesting is that these accused were the ones who were paid by the Khalistani terrorists who are there in Canada, and they were not someone who could have gone ahead just because of the ideology and painted this graffiti on the walls of the national capital just before 26th of January. What Delhi police sources have also been indicating that these 2 accused, Baljinder and Rohit, were the one who were in contact with one of our taxi driver who had gone to Canada, and he was paid 2 lakh rupees for this graffiti. So that is a quite clear link that Pannoon has not been able to infiltrate in the mind of Sikh youth here in India, but he has been using those criminal element of the society to do these kind of act and claim it that there are so many pro-Khalistani supporters who are there here in India who are willing to do anything on the behest of Pannoon. So that is a clear-cut indication which has come up so far. These are the accused who have been identified as Baljinder and Rohit. Both of them have been arrested. The case was initially registered by the Rohini district of the Delhi police, which coordinated with the Delhi police special cell, and these accused have been arrested.
All right. So the police say further investigation are underway to identify additional operatives and financial channels that are linked to the alleged module. Priyank, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We will be back on the other side of a very short break.